Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be cash stuffing 320 into my envelopes. I already have my little breakdown over here. I did a little cash planning on the side. Usually I do a budget with me, but I kind of ran out of time and I need to get this money in the envelope. So I have 320 and I'm going to be putting in, I have some categories I'm not putting money into, but a good amount. So I'm going to try to put a little bit into as much as I can for these envelopes. All right, so actually I'm going to switch this around so I can write in my planner what I'm planning on putting into my sinking funds. So here is my wallet. I'm actually going to take out all my change because I have a ton of change in here. So much change. And I'm gonna roll my coins soon so I can take it to the bank because I think I'm ready to get rid of this heavy box of coins. All right, oh, and let me unstuff what I didn't spend this week. So in spending, I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. So I'm gonna put that into savings challenges. I actually went grocery shopping yesterday. I had groceries still left over, so I really didn't have to spend too much. And so because of that, I'm going to keep this in this groceries envelope because I plan on only putting a little bit in because, like I said, I went grocery shopping yesterday. It'll hold me over till the next time I get paid, so I don't have to put as much. I usually put $100 into here, but I don't have to do that for this time around. Eating out, I spent all. Coffee, I spent all. And the buffer, I spent all of it. All right, so in spending, I'm doing my usual $30 in here. So 20 and a 10. Groceries, I am going to put, I think I'm doing 20. Yeah, I think I'm doing 2 10s. I think that's what I planned. Okay, so yeah, $20 because, like I said, I don't need much, but if I need something, at least I have a little bit. So I have 10, 20, 25, 30, $31 for groceries. Eating out's gonna get 30 as well. Coffee is getting 20, which is good because I don't know, I think we're going to get coffee tomorrow at work, I think. So usually if one of us says we want coffee, we usually will get coffee. So that is 20 for that one. And then buffer, I usually do 10. So I'm going to do 5. And then these 5 ones, they're really, really crispy. So they're hard to count, but that is $10 right here. Okay, so that's it for my wallet. Now I'm gonna go into my first binder, which, let's see, I wanna do, yeah, this one first. Okay, so beauty is getting $5. Okay, so $5. Actually, let me get a pen. Oh, here we go. Here's my pen. $5 in beauty. So now I spent a little bit from here this week. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $95. And there. So 95. And then I'm just writing the balance over here just to keep track of it. Disney is getting $10. Okay, so Disney's getting 10. So 20, 30, 40, 45. I still have a few more weeks until I go to Disney again, so have a few more weeks to be able to stuff in there. So that's 45. Clothing, I'm not putting anything in because I have 69. I haven't really been spending much from here, so that's gonna be good till I can put a little bit more in later. Family is getting 30. This one I've been just depleting every week. I'm actually gonna make this for my, I need to make one for my wallet and just keep it in there because it doesn't need to stay in here. So this is gonna be 30 now. Okay, so 30. Oh, clothing has 69, so I'm gonna put 69 here. All right, household is getting 15. I spent from here this week too. So 20, or sorry, 10, 20, 25, $26. Yeah, $26. It's kind of late when I'm filming, so yeah. Not the best at counting at almost like midnight. All right, so Target is $5. I think I spent from here too. Yeah, I think I did. All right, so $5 in Target. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. Yeah, I'm like totally second guessing myself. Yeah, 36. It's been a long day. All right, planner stuff. I'm not putting anything in planner stuff. So I did spend from this week because I had to buy, oh, I got new scissors. Finally, some non-stick scissors, which was nice. So yeah, I spent from this one. I also bought some cardstock for actually a project I plan on making a video on. Content is getting 10 because I spent from this too. Those like Dollar Tree, if you're watching the Dollar Tree videos, I've been spending the money from this envelope to pay for that stuff. So now I have $12 in content. Okay. Home decor isn't getting anything, and that one has 110. Yeah, it has a lot. I haven't spent anything from here, which is, yeah, very unusual for me because I'm always going to Home Goods, but ever since I started this, I've been a little bit more mindful of what I've spent. So yeah, I haven't gone, but I should go soon. Extra debt is getting 20. So now this has $50, $70, $90 in extra debt in here. And then I don't have any, oh, this is rent. Yeah, I did put money towards rent. So I'm gonna get one of my little washi dots and mark this one because I paid, or I put that into savings when I got paid this week. So it's another $220 in savings. All right, so that is it for this binder. Now for the next one. All right, I have electronics, which is going to get $10. Oh, and I'm also going to do a cash condensing soon, so stay tuned for that as well, because these are getting kind of thick. So this one has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. So 170. Auto repair is getting 10. So now I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. $35. I just got a bunch of service done on my car, so I should be good for a bit. Furniture is 15, so 10 and a 5. 5 and 10. Oops. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 10, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200. Really? Oh, wow. I'm almost to how much my desk costs. That's good. All right, so 200. Gifts is getting 10. I spent from this one this week too because I bought a bunch of Mother's Day gifts for, I got my mom, my grandma, and my sister. So I spent from here this week. So now I have 10, 15, 16, 17, $18 in gifts. Holiday decor isn't getting anything because I can wait on that one. I have $35 in there, so that's good for now. But I am going to put money into Christmas. So that's $10. Okay. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 91, 10, 20, 25, 30. So 130. 130, yeah. $130 for Christmas. Registration is getting $5. So now registration has $20, $30, $40, $45, $50, $55, $60, $65. $65. Okay. No taxes for this week, so I don't have to do that. Okay. And then I still need to make envelopes for these last two envelopes that I have. Just haven't gotten to it. So I have this one. This one's Treat Yourself. I'm putting $10 into this one. So that is $20, $40, $50, $60, $70 for Treat Yourself. And then Costco is getting $5. Oops, $5. So now Costco has $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $50 in Costco. Okay, so that's it in here. And then next are my savings, all the savings stuff. Okay, this one's the one that needs to be condensed a lot. All right, so in here I'm doing 20 for Go Wild. I know I'm gonna mess up counting this because I always mess up counting this. All right. Oh yeah, I put the 50 in the wrong spot. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 400. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 500, 550, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. So 582 for Go Wild. So I haven't reached, I'm almost to where I can color in another one. Not quite, but once I hit 600, then I'll be able to color in another llama. Okay, and then the next one I want to do is the 52-week challenge, because I have $20 that I'm going to put in here. So let me grab my pen. So I'm doing the $20 one. So now I have 150 in this challenge. Did I already put the 20? I think I did. 2, 4, 6. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, this is how tired I am. I thought I put the 20 in. I actually was doing a 10, a 15, and 20. I was so confused. I almost didn't put the money in. Thankfully, I counted it and realized I was off. And then I actually had to go back and rewatch what I did because I could not remember. Yeah, I need to go to bed. It's been a long day. Okay, so now I have 150 in here. I guess I should count it. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yeah. So 150 is now in here. And I checked it off. Yeah. Okay. Just want to make sure I did everything. All right. So that is it for that one. And then I do have a little money left over from my wallet. So I'm just going to put this into a couple of these challenges. Oh, actually the first one I have is the roll of dice. So I was doing $3 in here and I think I have $3. Yeah, I have $3. So I'm going to color in. Where's my Sharpie? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm going to color in the 1 and a 2. Okay, and then I'm gonna roll 2 so I can see what else, what I need to save for next time or fill in for next time. All right, so that is $3 in here. And this one is, how much is the savings? 150 on this one. Okay, so the new roll. I'm gonna get my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna roll to see how many times I'm rolling. Okay, 2 times. So I have 4. So 4. And then the next one, 2. All right, so next time I will be putting in 6 in here. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I have 2 5s, so I'm gonna put that into the $5 challenge, which is this one. So I get to color in 2 of these flowers. So 1, 2. Okay, put the money in. Let me grab my pen, color these 2 in. Not the best coloring, but it'll do. This one's so cute because I like the little flowers. Okay, and then the second one. Okay, that should be good. So at least I completed 3 rows. I think so far this has been the most, the farthest I've completed one of these monthly ones, so that's good. And I've just been using, most of it's rollover money, or money from my envelopes that I didn't spend. So that's good. All right, I'm left with $1. So that's gonna go in this one right here. Slowly getting through this one. All right, so $1 here. And that is good to go. Yeah, this one definitely needs to be condensed a lot. All right, so that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.